Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule sales in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, we will need to start by scheduling a sale for a single product. Okay, so you will need to go to the products on the left hand menu right here, and then just go with all products option on the pop-up menu. And after that, I do want you to go ahead and select a product that you want to edit, and then just go and click on edit right here. So actually you'll need to scroll down to the product data box, and right here I want you to stay on the general tab, and here you will need to set your normal price. Here on the sale price you will need to set your discounted price, and then just go ahead and click on schedule right here. Okay, so you will need right now to select the start date and then the end date and update the product. So you'll need to go ahead and click on update right here. So WooCommerce right now automatically removes the sale after the end date. No manual action needed. So right now I'm going to talk about scheduling sales for variable products. So go ahead to the product data and go with that box right here and click on variable products. Okay, and then go with variation right here. And after that you will have an option here. It says expand variation. Okay, so just set the sale price and schedule, so start and end data date for each variation, and then just update the products, and you can schedule different sale periods for each variation. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.